Hello, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to be doing Ipsy versus... So, I'll tell you a little bit about Ipsy first. It is $10 a month and you get 5 products. It's a mix between trial size or deluxe sizes and full-size products. But this will be kind of a long introduction since it is my first Ipsy unbagging here on my channel. I have a love-hate relationship with Ipsy. I have gotten Ipsy over a span of maybe 5 or 6 years, and I have canceled and resubscribed and canceled and resubscribed. You know the pattern. So this last time I resubscribed was about 4 or 5 months ago, and I resubscribed. I'm like, okay, I'll try it again. I started seeing people unboxing the Ipsy Glam Plus. I'm like, ooh, I need that. That's what I need because I prefer full-size products. So I got put on the wait list and I was like, okay, cool. So then I get this email that says, skip the wait list. I'm like, cool, click. Nothing happens. So I email them and I'm like, okay, I got an email that said skip the wait list, and I did all the prompts that the email told me to do. I did that and it's still saying I'm not going to get the Ipsy Plus until May. And I went back and forth with this customer service person for a minute, as in like a couple of days. And they basically told me, oh, that email was an error. That shouldn't have been sent to you. We're sorry. Okay, fine. So I go back onto the website, onto my page, and it says, again, it says, skip the wait, invite some of your friends. Okay, so I sent my link to my husband, and he subscribed under the guise of my daughter because I wanted to get my daughter an Ipsy bag. And he signed up, put a profile with her description. She is 21. She is more like him. You know, she has olive skin. She has dark hair, dark eyes, which is basically the opposite of me. And so she gets put, no wait, sorry, let me back up a little bit. So he signs up and I'm thinking, okay, cool. I can actually do an Ipsy versus Ipsy on my channel because I thought that that would be cool. I like watching Ipsy versus Ipsy, but it's usually just the same person subscribing to Ipsy and getting different Ipsy bags. So I thought it would be cool to see what it would be like me versus my daughter Ipsy bag. And so I'm waiting and there was a delay on the tracking, blah, blah, blah. Something happened. Same with BoxyCharm this month. I don't know what's going on, but there's a delay for BoxyCharm as well. And so I asked my husband to get on that profile that he made for my daughter, and he says that it says that she's on a wait list. I'm like, why? Why would Ipsy say, skip the wait list, invite your friends? I invite a friend and then that friend gets put on the wait list. And I have not been removed from the Ipsy Plus wait list either. So it doesn't make any sense to me why they would say invite your friends to get Ipsy and then put them on a 3-month waiting list. It makes like 0 sense to me. If you don't have the space, then don't ask to do that. It just, I don't know. Anyway, so this is not going to be an Ipsy versus Ipsy. I was really hoping that it would be. But my mini rant is over, so let's just get into my Ipsy. So again, this is, you get 5 products every month. Sometimes you get 6. Sometimes they'll send like an extra face mask, or sometimes you'll get like 2 face masks, or maybe that's BoxyCharm. I don't know. Either way. So the bag is really cute. It says, and off she went to change the world. I thought that that was really cute. It has the little Ipsy logo on the zipper, and you open it up. Now again, love-hate relationship with Ipsy. I prefer full-size products, so I often end up giving the majority of my bag away to usually my daughter, which is why I got her her own, so that way if we got different products, I could just give her the products also that I didn't care for. All right, so first I'm pulling this out, and it is, it tells you everything that's in the bag. It's National Women's History Month. Let's see, I don't think that Ipsy gives a breakdown of the prices. No, Ipsy does not give the breakdown of the prices. So I'll just go ahead and dig on in. First, I have a brush. It's either SL Miss Glam or Slum Miss Glam. Anyway, this is a short shader brush. It's really cute. I actually will keep this. Well, not always. Most times I keep brushes when I get them, but I will keep this. I can never get enough of these sort of brushes, just because I don't like to clean my brushes. But it's really pretty. It's like a rose gold, and it's got two little gems or fake rhinestones in there. The brushes are really soft, but they're short and stiffer, so I don't know. I would use it as a packing brush. Next, we have a mini Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I'll keep it. This is a good mascara. I've used it before. I like it, so I will keep it. Next up, we have Skin Iceland Limited Edition Berry Lip Fix. And I really like Skin Iceland products. I really like the cooling sensation that it gives. I have an under eye cream, I have a face cream, and now I have a lip fix. But I probably will like this. I don't know. We'll see. And next we have an Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter. This is, the packaging is really cute. I might actually keep this. That is really cute. And that's a really pretty color too. No. I'm using my natural lighting today, so hopefully you can see the shine of that. But I will actually, ooh, that's so pretty. Can you see that? That is so pretty. I will definitely keep that. I usually don't like small products like this, but that's really pretty. I like that. And then next in here we have an eyeshadow by IBY. And this is just a single eyeshadow. I usually never keep these, just because I prefer palettes. But I might keep this one. This seems like it would be a really pretty crease color for just a natural, ooh, that's really soft, just for a natural all day look. Yeah, I think that would really be a pretty crease color, just to deepen the crease just a little bit, just for a very natural look all day. So I will actually keep that as well. I would have to say this is probably the best Ipsy bag that I have gotten in a really long time. Wow. I talked all that shit about Ipsy and I really like this bag. Oopsie. No, really, I am still really irritated about all that stuff, but this, I actually like this bag, so yay. I hope you enjoyed this review and I will see you next time. Bye.